What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Vechain and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we're just letting you know that YouTube is censoring our content. From what we can tell, our reach to new viewers is officially down around 80% lower than what it was a month or so ago. So make sure to hit the like button now, it just really helps more people see our content, and we've just hit 10k subscribers as well. So thank you all so much for your support, we really appreciate you. We make daily crypto videos, so make sure to check back every day or join the free Telegram in the description to get updates of every video being posted as well. So if we're just taking a look at Vechain here, it does look as though we're having a nice little pickup again. As you can see, we have formed somewhat of a W bottom here. If we could just outline this, something like this. Obviously, we've been bouncing off this previous level of resistance here and rolling over under these resistances over the past few days, but we are getting another pickup here and we are challenging this resistance that we have been under for some time here. As you can see, basically since May, we've been stuck under a resistance here. We've had this double top, pretty obviously had this double top here, been rolled over, and we are rolling over again here. But we're starting to get a nice little pickup off this second part of the bottom. And as you can see, we could be forming a wider W-shaped recovery here. And if we could break out of this resistance, we would potentially be looking at this kind of these kinds of levels for Vechain in the next few weeks. There's been a lot of bullish news recently for Vechain as well. More adoption stories and basically a lot of good announcements coming out for Vechain. So it seems likely by our estimation that Vechain's probably going to get a nice little pump quite soon. If it can break out of this resistance, we do strongly believe that we will be targeting this 10-cent level at least. And probably over the next few weeks, we could potentially be looking at these 15 to 16 cent levels again. Obviously, depending on what the wider market does. But we are feeling quite confident that Vechain is going to get a nice bit of price action recently, considering how much bullish news has been coming out. It does look as though we are forming some kind of a double bottom here, or a W-shaped recovery. As we said, we've backtested these previous lows again. Found this area here around this 6 or 7 cent level to be very strong support. And we are getting a nice little pickup for Vechain now, as you can quite clearly tell. We are stuck under on our daily time frame here, we're still stuck under our 20 EMA, which we're testing as resistance, along with this resistance we've been stuck under here for about 2 months now. But we do think that Vechain is probably going to get a nice little pickup quite soon. As we can see here, if we just take a look at our weekly time frame, we are adhering to our bear market rules here. We've back tested our 55 EMA and we're holding it as support right now, and we're getting a nice little run up again. You can see that resistance quite clearly there that we are stuck under here, this line that we've outlined. And it does look as though Vechain is currently battling with it, trying to break out. And if that was the case, we would be hopefully targeting getting above this 20 EMA on the weekly time frame again here. If that was the case, we would be looking at something like this. We could potentially back test it as support, come up and then retest that level that we do want to retest at around this 15 to 16 cent mark. And we do think if we can get back above that, we do think that the bull market is going to be back well underway, because we will basically have fully reversed with a W bottom here out of this area, moving back up and getting that full recovery back up above that 15 to 16 cent level, which we have been highlighting as a very key level of resistance. As you can see, we came up and retested it, but we actually broke down from this kind of W-shaped recovery here. It's obviously been rolling over since then and rolling over because of the wider market. But now, I mean, what an opportunity to get Vechain under 10 cents, because this is a crypto that's going to do extremely well in the long term by our estimations. It's got really strong fundamentals. As you can see, we're currently battling in this area here, trying to get above this resistance line. I do think if it's possible, and we can do it, we're going to be looking at some very good price action for Vechain, in our opinion, in the long term. If we just take a look at the 4-hourly chart here, pretty obvious that we've obviously been rolling over quite significantly recently, but we are backtesting these key levels, which is something that we haven't really done here for Vechain. It's basically just ran up in a straight line, hasn't it? So we have got really overextended, and now we're back testing the previous levels of support. But in our opinion, Vechain is going to do very well. In the long term, it seems pretty obvious. We are double bottoming from what we can see, challenging this resistance that we really need to break. And if we do break this, as we said, we will be in the short term targeting these levels, probably targeting this 10-cent level at the least. And then maybe even looking at this 11, 12 cent level, and then all the way up to around this 15 to 16 cent level as well. Considering how bullish the news has been recently, and obviously the fundamentals for Vechain are absolutely incredible. And also, if we just take a look over the past year or so, you can quite clearly see that we've been respecting this uptrend that we've been in. This blue macro trend line, which you haven't even back tested yet. But as you can see, if we just kept trading upwards like this for the next year or so, we would be looking at a very, very nice price for Vechain. And in July if we just look at July here of 2022, if we just kept going upwards and respecting this trend line that we have been respecting here for the bull market for the next year or so, we would be looking at a minimum of a 65 to 70 cent Vechain in our opinion. But obviously, considering how overextended we have got here from the trend line itself, we could be looking at back testing here and having our final wave to the upside here, which would be looking something like this potentially, basically pulling away from the trend line as we have done here and here in little waves like this. And if we get another wave like this, we could be looking at potentially a nice little move up to the upside here for Vechain over the next year or so, targeting that level of $1 plus, which we have been looking at. And we do think also with the blow off top that we're most likely going to see for pretty much every single cryptocurrency. As we've been saying, when the bull market does reach a climax, Bitcoin's going to get a blow off top, and we do think Vechain has the potential to get up to maybe $2 or $3, considering how much it's got to offer. So I mean, the fundamentals are amazing for Vechain, aren't they? So we do think it's going to do extremely, extremely well in the long term. That's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.